Today we are going to learn about finding the area of a triangle given all three sides or given two sides and the included angle. The first formula we're going to work with is finding the area of the triangle given two sides and the included angle. This is done the same way we learned how to do in geometry when we took 1/2 the base times the height, except in this formula we're going to actually calculate the height using the sine function. So if you look at the formula on your screen, we have area of a triangle is 1/2 a times b times the sine of the angle. B times the sine of the angle is essentially the same as the height of the triangle. If we look at this first example, where we have 8 and 12 as two of our sides and the included angle is 20 degrees, we can calculate this area by using that same formula, by finding what the height would be if we drew down a perpendicular from the vertex by taking 1/2 12, which would be the base, and then 8 times the sine of 20, which would essentially give us the height of that triangle. If we do that calculation, we would get an area of 16.4 units squared. The formula also works for an obtuse triangle where we would draw our height outside of the triangle, such as in the second example, where the obtuse angle is 100 degrees. We would still calculate the area by doing 1/2 the 3 times the 4 times the sine of the angle. And if we do that calculation, we would get 5.9 units squared for its area. Now that you have an idea of how to find the area of a triangle where you're given two sides and the included angle, go ahead and try the examples on your sheet.